student?
Morning, Miss.
Hi, hi, hi.
Hi.
It's time for English?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay. Good morning, everybody.
Morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm very well, thank you. And I am so nervous today because this is my task. Okay. Before we started the materials, Miss Ulfa want to you pray together with your friends in this class here. And then please, the leader of the class, who is it? Faiza. Okay, come on.
Before we are starting the class, let's pray together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Raditu billahi rabba wa bil islami dina wa bi Muhammadin nabiyya wa rasula. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma wa amalan sholihan. Rabbi ishrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbana la ilma lana illa ma 'allamtana innaka antal alimul hakim.
Okay. Okay. And Juz Amma?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wadduha wal-laili idza saja. Ma wadda'aka rabbuka wa ma qala. Wal-akhiratu khairun laka minal ula. Wa lasawfa yu'tika rabbuka fatarda. Alam yajidka yatiman fa'awa. Wa wajadaka dhallan fahada. Wa wajadaka 'ailan fa'aghna. Fa ammal yatima fala taqhar. Wa ammas sa'ila fala tanhar. Wa amma bi ni'mati rabbika fahaddith.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Well, pronoun.
Okay.
Pronoun.
Okay.
Pronoun.
Okay.
Let's go.
I bring my book for me myself because this book is mine.
Well, Miss Ulfa having the material, new material actually for the second, what is that? There's the second materials in the 10th grade, but I believe that for your junior high school that you have the materials descriptive text. Anyone knows what is the descriptive text?
Yes.
What is that? You remember that? Generic structures that in the descriptive text. And the second, you can guess the grammar from the descriptive text. And the last one, you can explain the detail what is the descriptive text with the generic structures and the grammar too. Okay? Next, motivations. See in the butterfly here. Trust the process. It means that when you are not everything, yeah, in English, in the mathematics or biology, you don't have anything for the knowledge. But don't worry, you have to trust your process. Why? Because your process is made the consists of or contains the process, and the best process is the will be success. That's the motivation today, and then I mean that you have to memorize it because your life is very important. Next, okay, ice breaking. Please stand up. Are you remember that? Are you remember it? Yes. Okay, stand up. We'll start it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Okay. Okay. When you said clap your hands for the second, right and left. Okay. And then if you had the shake your arms, I think that your arms is to shake. Okay, and the last one is short hurry. So you make the short hurry with your friends. Okay, and the last one, do all three, and you're combined for the first, second, and the third features. Okay. Okay. Yeah, start it. If you're happy and you know it's not correct.
If you're happy and you know it's not correct. If you're happy and you know and you really are to show. If you're happy and you know it's not correct.
If you're happy and you know it, shake your arms. If you're happy and you know it, shake your arms. If you're happy and you know and you really are to show.
If you're happy and you know it's not correct.
If you're happy and you know it's shout hooray!
Hooray!
If you're happy and you know it's shout hooray!
Hooray!
If you're happy and you know
And you really are to show. If you're happy and you know it's not correct. Hooray! If you're happy and you know it's
do all three. Hooray! If you're
happy and you know it's your thing. Hooray! If you're happy and you know and you really are to show.
if you're happy and you know it, do all three.
Hooray!
Okay, enough. Are you happy?
Happy!
Okay, good. Ready ya for the next material?
Yes.
A video from the great athletes in Indonesia. See on the TV.
Is an Indonesian volleyball player, or familiarly known as Megawati.
Okay. You had the watch video. See on the questions. What do you see in the video? Famous? Famous athlete. What sport does the athletes play? Woman volleyball. What do you see in the pictures? About the player of volleyball. That's good. Megawati in the video on YouTube, I think that it explains about what is the descriptive itself. Now, descriptive text, Miss Ulfa give you some information, some knowledge that consists of three. The first is definitions of descriptive text. Second is grammaticals, and the last one for example. Next, descriptive text. Descriptive text is a text that explain and describe a person, like animals, noun, maybe Dewi, Farah, Hidai, or Miranda. You can describe everything. Give me some informations about your persons, about your friends. You can give your informations from Sila in detail. The purpose of descriptions is to aim to give you informations, to describe to you that Sila is my best friend or the close friend. Give your some information to others is the purpose. Generic structures. How the generic structures of descriptive text consists of two. The first is identifications and the second is descriptions. Identifications is aims introducing and identifying specific participant like Jasila. I wanna describe about my close friends and her name is Dewi. And the second is descriptions. Descriptions is part to give some information for the detail about Jasila, about Bella, about Dewi. How many times is in English?
There are 16 sentences in English.
There are
16 sentences in English.
okay. Number one is
Simple present.
number two is
Present continuous.
perfect. So Miss Ulfa want to explain the simple present tense. Present is number
1.
okay. Simple present. Simple present, the meaning is simple activity. It means that simple activity. activity like you have the schedules or you have to always do something in the routine your daily life. And then schedule of the pattern. Subject plus verb 1 plus S or ES plus object. Repeat after me. The patterns of simple present is subject plus verb 1 plus plus and the subject I, you, they, we is don't have or without S in the verb. Okay? You not use S or ES. How about she, he, it, Miss Ulfa? She, he, it like S. She, he, it like S. Okay, understand?
Yes.
For example here, in the left, Siska read a book.
No,
Why?
because there is no SRES in the verb.
Okay. Okay, good. Next, they does not watch a TV.
No, Miss.
Why?
They does not.
They does not miss.
Because
I think of subject they is do.
okay, good. Next, anyone come help me to read this text?
I'm not ready, Miss.
Okay, where is the mic? Louder, please, Naya.
Hangestri
Come here.
Pertiwi is a Megawati Hangestri Pertiwi is a
Female.
female volleyball athlete from Indonesia who is
Okay, good, Naya. Thank you. For the second paragraph, anyone can help me? Okay. Louder, please.
Megawati first like volleyball at the age of 14. She started her professional career as a young player in the Surabaya Bank Jatim squad.
Okay. Answer the questions. What is the part of identifications? What is the part of identifications? See on the text. Megawati Hangestri Pertiwi is a identification. Why? Because it's describe or identifying or give your information about Megawati. Megawati Hangestri Pertiwi is a female volleyball athlete. I give you some information about the indications. Indications means Ulfa having the Megawati. Megawati is my accurate athlete. I give you some information for you. It's talking about Megawati. Megawati in the first paragraph is identification. It's called identifications. And how about the blue or dark blue lines? Paragraph 2 is talking about all informations about Megawati. Megawati to giving your identifications, and then for the second paragraph is describing of Megawati. So it's called descriptions. Identification in the first paragraph, and the second paragraph is descriptions. That's good. Okay, now please make a group. The group consists of 3 students. Browse and find your athletes. I have the text and the pictures. You can browse and find your athletes information on the internet. You have a laptop?
Yes.
You have laptop?
Yes.
Okay. You can find the information about the great athletes that you have to make a detail some information, and then the next is describe her or his based on the career, personality, or the language features, or maybe it's talking about excited, maybe, and then yeah, everything. And the last is besides the generic structures of it. Besides of generic structures, don't forget. And the last one is you can present in front of the class. I have 1, 2, 3. This is the first group. It's okay? Any question maybe? Okay, finished? Finished? Okay, good. What group who have brief to show the first? Group 1. Okay, come forward. And the moderator, you can stand up to introduce yourself. I think that you have to introduce your members, about you, and then your friends here.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are from group 1. I am Faiza and this is my friend Taskia and next Sukma. Here are the explain about the descriptive text based of this feature. This feature is Susi Susanti. She is graduate atlas in Indonesia.
Okay, the pictures is Susi, great athletes in Indonesia. Okay, good.
Susi Susanti is one of the most iconic athletes in Indonesia history. Born of the February 11, 1971 in Tasikmalaya, West Java. Any questions so far?
Questions from the group 1. Okay, please louder, yeah. Stand up, please.
Can you tell me what is identification and description from your text, please?
The identification is the part 1 because this text in the introduce of the athletes who will the descriptive in the text, and description is the second and third part because consist of the information from my athletes.
Thank you all for your time and attention.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Give applause.
Okay. Please stand up and louder, please.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.
We are from group 2. I am Nadine and this is my friend Miranda.
And next, Naya.
Here we try to explain about the descriptive text based on this picture. This picture is Cristiano Ronaldo. He is great athlete in world.
Okay, your great athlete is Cristiano Ronaldo, the worldwide players football. Okay.
Next.
Okay, next you can show me your text or information about Cristiano Ronaldo.
Okay. Cristiano Ronaldo is a name known all over the world. Born on February 5, 1985 in Madeira, Portugal. In Madeira, Portugal, he is considered one of the greatest football players of all time. His incredible talent, hard work, and determination have made him a global sports icon.
Ronaldo began his professional career with Sporting Lisbon before moving to Manchester United in 2003.
2003.
2003. There, he quickly became a star, helping the team win several trophies, including the UEFA Champions League and Premier League title. In 2009, he joined Real Madrid, where he reached legendary status. At Real Madrid, Ronaldo broke numerous records, including becoming the club's all-time top scorer. He won 4 Champions League titles with the club and multiple Ballon d'Or awards, which are given to the best player in the world. He later played for Juventus in Italy and then returned to Manchester United, continuing to score goals at the highest level.
Highest level. Okay.
Highest level.
In 2023, Ronaldo made history again by joining Al Nassr, a Saudi Arabian club, becoming one of the highest paid athletes in the world even in his late 30s. His performance, fitness, and passion remain unmatched.
Ronaldo is also the top scorer in international football history, representing Portugal and helping his country win the Euro 2016 and the National League in 2019. What set Cristiano Ronaldo apart is not just his skill, but his discipline, work ethics, and winning mentality of the field. He is known for his charity work, love for family, and influence as a global ambassador of football. Cristiano Ronaldo is not just footballer. He is a living legend whose impact goes far beyond pitch.
Okay, good. It's talking about the text is Cristiano Ronaldo. Next.
Name of athlete Cristiano Ronaldo. Place or date of birth. February 5, 1985 in Madeira, Portugal.
Physical feature: hairstyle, short black hair, height 180 cm, skin tone tan skin.
Personality, incredible talent, hard work, and determination have made him a global sports icon.
Achievement: top scorer in international football history, representing Portugal.
Strongest: discipline, work ethics, and winning mentality.
Okay, good. The details of information about Cristiano Ronaldo. Okay, next group.
Any questions so far?
Maybe there is no questions or there is questions for this group,
Yeah, Faiza.
especially for second group maybe. Stand up please.
Can you tell me what is the justification and descriptive form your text?
Sure.
The identification.
Where is the text? Where is the text? Please, the next page, please. Okay.
The identification is in paragraph 1 because
Okay, maybe, wait. Faiza asked you about what is the identifications and where is the description. Okay.
and the identification is in paragraph 1 because this text is introduced of an athlete.
Introduce the athlete.
Yeah.
Okay, talking about Cristiano Ronaldo.
Who will we describe in the text?
Okay, good. And how about description?
And description in the second and third paragraph because consists of all information from my athletes.
Okay,
Thank you.
good job. Okay, guys. There is questions maybe about description? No? There is no question? Okay. If there is no questions, please give me your ability or your drills into formative. I give you 10 minutes to do these jobs. Okay. Oh, sorry. Formative tasks. Okay. See me? On the formative tasks is talking about descriptions. Okay, descriptive text, and then you can answer the questions on the formative. Yeah, answer the questions based on you, based on your understanding, based on your ability. Okay, because Miss Ulfa want to get your value for the score. How to until that you have to understand what is the descriptive text. Okay.
Yes.
Scan me here. When Miss Ulfa says focus, your hands on the table. Okay? When Miss Ulfa says focus, your hand on the table. When Miss Ulfa say describe person, you can clap your hand. Okay. Understand? Understand. Clap your hand. Okay, start it. Identification. Understand? Describe person. Description. Focus. Understand? Understand? Description. Identification. Describe person. Focus. Okay, good. Okay, good. Clap your hand. Okay. Go to reflections. Okay, Miss Ulfa wanna ask you, what do you learn today? Yeah.
We learn something new. It's talking about descriptive text.
We are no. Pardon? We are no. We are knowing.
We learn something new.
Learning something new
It's talking about
is talking about descriptive text. Okay, well, we have learned about descriptive text. Is it the something new for you? Thank you. Give applause for Sukma. So, what do we learn in descriptive text? Yeah.
About the generic structure of descriptive text, tenses and example of descriptive text.
Okay, we learn about descriptive text. It's talking about definitions, about the generic structures, and then structures, tenses, and then for the example of the descriptive text. Okay, thank you. Good job. Thank you. Good job. And the next, what kinds of generic structures of descriptive text? Okay. Wait. Louder. What kind of generic structures of descriptive text?
Identification. The identification element aims at the introduction and identifying specific participant and person, thing, place, animal, or event.
Okay.
To be described in the descriptive text and description. The description aims at describing the specific participant and in text. It contains descriptive detail or information of the specific participant by providing the description of this characteristic, appearances, personality, habits, or qualities.
Okay, thank you. What kind of generic structures is talking about you? The first is identification and the second is description. Identification is give your information about the athlete or the person, animal, and etc. And descriptions is giving all of information about the subject. Okay, good. Yes. Okay. Okay, any questions so far?
No.
Nothing? Understand?
Understand.
Okay. Before Miss Ulfa finish the materials, please the leader pray together and then you can ready for go home. Okay, please.
Before we are finished the class, let's pray together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbana anfa'na bihadza Rabbi allimna alladhi yanfa'una Rabbi faqihna wa faqih alana wa qarabati lana bidina.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for joining me in my class. Before you go home, please answer my question. Go.
Pergi.
Pergi.
Go.
Okay, good. Bring.
Membawa.
Membawa.
Bring.
Okay, are you ready?
Ready.
Ready?
Ready.
Okay, good. Apply for. Apply for. Go home. Thank you, Dewi. Next, understand? Okay, no. Sel.
Membawa.
Bella. Go home. Go home, Dewi and Bella. Look for. Okay, good. Discuss. Okay.